Well folks, Jiminy Critic here today with another movie review for you. This movie I'm excited about, I enjoyed it, I want to tell you about this movie. It's called The Book of Eli. The Book of Eli is our title today. It falls under the action, adventure, drama realm, I guess. It's brought to you by Warner Brother Pictures. This is directed, it's funny, there's not too many tag team directing duos. I mean, the Coen brothers do this. Well, this group, the Albert and Alan Hughes brothers, directed this movie. They brought you such movies as a few years ago. They made the movie From Hell, the story of Jack the Ripper with Johnny Depp. They've done the movie Dead Presidents, Menace to Society. Well, anyway, these guys directed this film. This movie is rated R, and I have to say, I want to say it up front, it earns the R rating, violence, and some language. So you want to be careful about that rating. But movie just shy of 2 hours, 118 minutes. The Book of Eli stars Denzel Washington. Listen to this cast. Gary Oldman, interesting casting there. Mila Kunis. Jennifer Beals makes an appearance in this movie. Tom Waits, once again, short little shopkeeper role, but very interesting. So this movie, The Book of Eli, if you've seen the trailers or not, I'm going to tell you, it's set in kind of a post-apocalyptic world. And for the last year and a half, 2 years, haven't there been a bunch of movies about apocalyptic times, you know, the end of the world, what's going to happen, The Road, 2012, you know, just other movies that are kind of foretelling what's happening here at the end of our world. Well, this is another one of these, but it has an interesting take. Denzel Washington's character is Eli, obviously, and he is on a trek, again, post-apocalyptic world, by walking. He's the walking man. He's got a backpack with all his essentials in there, and he's carrying around a big old book as one of the items in his knapsack. Well, he's trekking from east, and he just knows had this feeling, he's heard this voice tell him that he needs to go west and take that book out west. So he's doing the walking travel, of course, in a post-apocalyptic world, like even from Mad Max days and Road Warrior days. There's always gangs of thugs and thieves and robbers that are going to be along your way while you're trekking across the country, right? Well, of course, he runs into these people and a couple of gruesome fight-outs. He carries a big old blade in his knapsack that he's very fluent with, I will say. Anyway, the Gary Oldman character, he runs into a town where Gary Oldman runs everything because he is one of the few people that remembers stuff from before the Flash, we'll call it. And he is a reader. He loves books. Not everybody in the New World can read, but the ones that can kind of control the power because, you know, with knowledge there's power. Well, Gary Oldman's power is a bad, evil power. Eli is a good guy in this movie. So there sets off the trek east to west. What's going to happen between him and Gary Oldman? Gary Oldman wants that book that he's got. Is he going to get the book? Is Eli going to keep the book? Are there any twists and turns in this movie? I'm just telling you, you need to check out The Book of Eli. I enjoyed it very much, and I hope you do too.